Good morning,
ma'am.
Good morning,
Good morning.
everyone.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. A
Ma'am,
very good
yesterday
Good
morning.
I met
morning, ma'am.
Mohit.
Good morning. A very good morning to all of you.
Good
Fine,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, good morning.
Yesterday I met Mohit in VR Mall.
Okay, very nice. Good.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Ma'am, because of some technical issue, I could not join on time. Just.
No worries. I have not started yet. Let everyone join.
Ma'am,
Till that, I will let everyone join. Till that, I will discuss. Yes, Aryaman.
ma'am, can I use white paper, not color paper?
Yes, 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 yes.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
this much size is okay for small size or more big? This much.
Rudra, wait a minute. Let me pin you and see. You are not. Yes, yes. This
I
was the small circle is okay.
no, I have
No,
to
not
ask
star.
something.
Ah,
This
this
one.
is also okay. Square also okay.
Then star also of this size, no?
Star is there in your scale?
Yes, I have.
Yeah, star is also this size.
No, I have to ask you something.
Yes,
No, ma'am.
Ayansh, tell me.
What do we need? Ma'am, I have only.
Mhm.
Ma'am, what do we need? I don't know.
Children, I have posted to bring some material in the class. If you have not brought, it's okay. I will show you how you have to draw in your notebook also. Okay. If you have brought, yes, Ayansh, tell me.
Ma'am, I.
Yes, Kahan, tell me.
Ma'am, can I use this scale?
Any scale, any scale. Yeah, you can use this scale also. Now listen to me. Yes,
When we can draw in the notebook.
yes, yes. If you don't have cutouts, you can draw in the notebook.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I
ma'am.
want to say that I can't see the classroom because the internet was slow and I can't join the class on time today.
Okay. Now I have not still yet started. Now I will start my class. Okay.
Ma'am, but
First of
what we
all,
have to do?
I will let you know. First of all, I want to discuss. I will close my chat box. No messages in the chat box now, Mohit. Now listen to me, everyone. Right? First of all, I want to discuss about your homework. You children are not sending me your work on time. Only 50% to 60% students are sending on time. What about the other students? You want that every day I had to call your name in the class? Please send Nishika, Jishna, Jahan Agarwal, Jahan Jaliwala, Yug. Please start sending Mohit, Prisha, Parinika. Please start sending me your work on time. Otherwise, you children know that how you will be graded. Right? So please send your work on the same day, and I mentioned the time also. Please stick with the timings and send your work regularly on time.
Ma'am, you received my worksheet for.
See, I am calling the names. These children particular should be particular about their work, please. And in the next day, I will show you the screen also. I will present tomorrow also the screen. And I will, yes, it's so good. Once it's good. Put it down. So please, please send your work on time, right? Now I will start my class. So we were doing about the patterns, right? So today we are going to do page number 110. It's written no number comes twice. This page number, I will present it on my screen. You also have to open this page number. Can you all see my screen, presented screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So now till here we have done. You all have completed till here?
Yes.
Now we go to the next page. Page number 110. This is the page 110. Sorry, on the 109. Yeah, come down on 109. We can also make patterns with numbers and letters, which we have already cleared yesterday. Now we have to complete this. A, B, C in the capital, D, E, F, G, H, I. This is which type of pattern, children?
Ma'am, your present
ABCD.
Okay, I will present my screen again.
Alphabetical. Alphabetical.
Alphabetically, but this is the growing pattern. Letters are growing, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I.
Okay, ma'am.
Increasing. Yes. And please note and please pay attention on the whether it is a capital letters or the small letters. So you have to pay attention on the letters also. Now again, I'm going to present you the screen because Ayash told me it is not visible. Now only Prachi ma'am will guide me whether it is visible or not. You children, please mute your mics. Prachi ma'am, this is visible. Prachi ma'am, my screen is visible. Okay. Children, you can see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Mute your mics now. Now, can you take them forward? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Now, what will come next?
JKL. Ma'am, JKL, MNO, and no PQR.
Yes. A, B. Please complete this in your textbook. Please complete this in your textbooks. J, K, L in the capital. M, N, O, P, Q, R. Now, the next is 28Z, 27Y, 26X. Yes, my dear.
27W.
How 27?
25.
25.
25W. 25V. 24V.
Okay. Now, please complete this in your textbooks. And
Ma'am, in which page number? Leave from the meeting from
109. Page number 109.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am, I have done.
24 W, sorry, 25 W, 24 V, and 23 U. Then 864, 764, 664. What will come next?
464, 364. Ma'am.
Very good. Very good, Manraj. Excellent. Now, Riddhi, you know what will be the next numbers? It is 864.
What, ma'am? 864, 764, 664, 564, 464, and 364.
What is happening? Can you explain? Please mute your mics.
Ma'am, it is subtracting by 100.
Very good. Now, Vansh Balchandani. Vansh Balchandani.
Ma'am, I want to say something.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I was,
Yes, ma'am.
due to some
Ma'am, what?
issue,
I can't hear you.
Vansh, wait a minute. Let me talk with Yash. Mohit, mute your mic, please. Yes, only Yash will talk. Yash, tell me.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, due to some network issue, I was leave the meeting for 10 minutes. So, what we have done?
My dear, I have started page number 109. You have to complete this pattern. Okay. Yes, Vansh Balchandani. Can you please complete the pattern which is 9, 109, 209? Then what will come?
109. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. 309.
309, 409, 509.
Sia, you are Vansh Balchandani? Yes, Vansh Balchandani.
Ma'am, it
309.
will come 309, 409, 509.
Ayush? Ayush, is he correct?
Ma'am, I'm done. Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Lakshya. Very good, Mohit. Yes,
Ma'am,
now.
one page number. 101.
Ma'am,
Okay, now children, listen
100.
to me first. Mute your mics. Now there are some blank spaces given. Now write your own pattern here. You can write any pattern and please complete this. With the you can write any pattern. Devyosha, please do.
ma'am, I have written.
I will present my screen and I will show you also some patterns.
We can write in
Yes,
letters
yes, any
also.
pattern with the numbers, with the letters, any pattern.
Ma'am, can I write?
No, it is written now. Write your own number pattern. It is written number pattern.
Ma'am, can I write 1, 2, 3, 4, let's go, let's go, 1, 2, 3, 4, let's go.
No.
Ma'am, I have done whole chapter number 10.
Okay,
They
my
will
dear.
better.
Now let's see. It is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. You are adding 5 in each number. Then 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300. Make a pattern without numbers. Here in this, you can make a pattern without numbers. It can be shape, anything. Star, moon, and it's a repeated pattern. Now come here. This is important. This is very good exercise. Can you all open page number 110? Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am,
Okay,
already.
good. So now let me continue with this. Now this trick you have to understand carefully. Now here 3 boxes are made. 3 boxes row wise and 3 boxes column wise. Now Vivan Patel will explain me. Vivan, what is column and what is row?
What, ma'am? I can't listen you. Can you say
Vivan,
one more?
yeah, can you please tell me what is column?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, Devyosha, can you tell me what is column? If you arrange something in the column wise, what do you mean by the word column? How you will arrange it?
Yes, ma'am.
If you arrange something column wise, right? So what do you mean by the word column? How you will arrange it? What is column?
Ma'am, I can't hear you properly.
There's a lot of voices coming from your back. Can you please mute your mic now? I will go to next child. And next time you sit in the separate room so that you can hear me clearly. Okay, understood? Yeah, Ayush, please. Ayush, can you tell me what is column? How you will arrange the things in the column wise?
Like standing wise.
Yes.
Ma'am, which page number?
Page number 110. Now, Samriddhi, can you please tell me what is column? Oh, sorry, what is row? How you will arrange the thing row wise? Aryaman, please put your hand down. I will ask. Samriddhi, what do you mean by the word row? Sometime when you go in to sit somewhere in the crowd, everyone says sit row wise or stand row wise, or your mic is not on. Please on your mic first.
Ma'am,
Yes.
draw a line of anything
Mm-hmm.
like row of numbers.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3 is in the standing line. So it will be how you will arrange it.
Ma'am. You arrange like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
No, can
1,
you
2,
can you
3.
tell me the how we arrange the things in the row and in the column? Ekansh, can you please explain me? And can you give me some examples of row and column?
Row. Row. Row means when we in the sleeping.
Yeah, sleeping line. Yes.
Yes.
And column
And
means
column means a standing line.
standing line. And I will tell you one more new word, diagonal. Who know about the diagonals?
Ma'am, Teda.
Diagonal.
Yes.
Ma'am, I know diagonally.
Yes, Khevna. Can you please tell me what is diagonal?
Ma'am, diagonal is a line that is like this.
Yes.
Slanting line.
Slanting line also you can say. Yes. So now, again, I will present my screen. Please mute your mics. See now, this is the puzzle. In this, they have given that you have to write three numbers, 1, 2, 3, in such a way that it will not repeat row wise also and column wise also and diagonal wise also. So when you see row wise 1, 2, 3, these are not repeating. All the three numbers are different. When you see column wise 1, 3, 2 are
Your
not repeating.
presentation is stopped.
Okay, I will present it again.
Ma'am, I know this game. It is a game.
Ma'am, it is Sudoku.
Ma'am, I don't know what is
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am, Sudoku.
Children, you do one thing, you discuss and I will stop teaching.
Ma'am, can I log out and log in?
Yes. Now my screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see. Column means when you are coming from up to down, or you can say the standing line. This is the column. When these numbers are arranged in column 1, 3 and 2, they are not repeating. When these numbers are arranged in row wise 1, 2, 3, then also no number is repeating. All the three numbers are different. And when you see these numbers are arranged in diagonal. Diagonal means 3, 1, 2. Can you see my cursor is going? 3, 1, 2. This is the diagonal. Means if they are arranged in the diagonal also, they are not repeating. And if you check the another diagonal, no, 3, 1, 2.
Ma'am, in the another diagonal, it is repeating.
Yes.
It will come one over there, no?
Yeah. So now, and when you check, so you have to fill in such a way that these numbers will not be repeated. And now I will show you here. See, can you see here in another screen also?
Yes.
Yes. So you have to arrange in such a way. What happened, children? Okay, I will
Screen is black.
Ma'am, it is visible
no
properly.
dear,
The
no
Lord
problem, no problem. I will present it again. You children get this.
Not visible.
Okay, I will present it again. Yes, can you see this here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this is about 1, 2, 3 numbers. You can take any numbers.
Ma'am, I can see it.
You can take any numbers and make this puzzle, and you can increase the boxes and you can increase the numbers also. But check that when you write these numbers in the boxes, it will not be repeat column wise and it will not be repeat row wise. Am I clear to you all? Yes.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I have two solutions for this.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have two solutions for this.
Okay. Tell
Ma'am,
me.
first the six I have given.
Hmm.
1, 2, 3. So it can be A, B, C.
Yes.
It can be C, A, B, and it
Hmm.
can be B, C, A. And one more.
See, children, when you go down, the one more, this is given. Yeah. When you click here, now you try writing. Now you try writing the letters A, B, C in the boxes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, have I written correct?
Yes, Riddhi is showing me. Riddhi, can you please show me? Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, you have written. Can you please move it little back so that it will, yeah, A, B, C, then C, A, B, then B, B, C, A. Yes.
Ma'am, can I see mine also?
Please write in your textbook.
ma'am, is it right?
Children, yeah, it is right. Children, do one thing. Vivan, mute your mic.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Children, you please just show me, take your books and show me without saying, can you see my, I will pin everyone and I will check. Yes, I have checked. Yash, I have checked. Ayush, I have. Yeah, other children, please show me. Take your books up and show it to me. It is known. Dhari, you have not properly hold it properly so that it will be visible. Yes. So this way, children, you can. Jahan Jariwala, can you please show me? Jahan Jariwala,
What, ma'am?
can you please show me the pattern?
What, I can't hear you very nicely. Can you repeat
My
it? I
the
am
pat
already having some internet issues too.
My dear, I have given some one pattern which is given in your textbook to complete, like the other children are showing me. Yes, Vivan, I have seen. Put your book down. Nek, you also have to show me. Nek, show me, please. Nek, I'm talking to you. Please show me your work. Yes, Trisha. Yes, yes. Now, yes, Ekansh, I can see. Lakshya, you show me. Lakshya, you show me your work, please. Okay. Nek, mute your mic, please.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Wait a minute, Nishika. Your camera is on. Can you make it little back so that no, it is not clearly visible? No, it is still not visible. Yes. Yes, yes, it's visible. Okay. Now come to the next page. Page number 111. The activity which I told you we are going to do today. Now, listen to me, children. Those who are Mohit, please mute your mic. How many times, my dear, you need the reminder? I have told you to be ready with some squares, some triangles, and some circles, right? Those who are ready with the material, they will do with the material. Those who are not ready with the material, Lamha, stop first. Those who are not ready with the material, they will draw in the notebooks and they will do this activity. Okay, open page number 111. I will present
Ma'am,
to
I
my
don't have squares because I was not having paper. I only have circle and stars.
Lamha, I have told something right now. If you don't have the material, you will see the screen and you have to draw. Okay? Those
But ma'am, I've cut circle and star.
It's okay. Then you do the star activity with that. If you don't have squares, you do it with the very good Ayush. Let others also to understand. Again, I'm going to present my screen. If you don't have the material, please start drawing in your notebooks. or you will complete in the textbook also, and later on you will do in the notebook also. This is very interesting magic patterns. So please pay attention here.
Ma'am, your screen is coming black.
Again, I don't know why I asked you why you facing this difficulty.
Ma'am, when you are presenting, always the screen come blacks.
Now again I will present it.
Ma'am,
No worries.
what we have to do is.
Rahel, I am going to explain you. Wait a minute.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, now it is proper.
Yeah, children, if you have material, you make it like this pattern. If you don't have, you draw, start drawing. Make these two patterns in your notebooks fast.
Ma'am, we had to stick the patterns of what we had cut
Yes.
in the notebook.
Yes. If you have
Ma'am,
stars, listen to me first. If you have cutted the stars, paste it with the glue in this way for 1, 2, 3 stars in a line, and draw the line and match it. Then 1 star in the middle, and then come down 3 stars again in a line, and then join them. Am I clear? Yes or no?
Ma'am,
Yes, Ayansh.
ma'am, I can't see your presentation, but I can see you in the class.
Where do I draw this?
Ma'am, we have to make only stars.
Ma'am, your
In your
presentation
you
is correctly visible.
yes, Ayansh, you do one thing, you log out and log in
Ma'am,
again.
these are
Only stars.
This square, right? And the circle.
Children, as I am showing you, also it is given in your textbook also on page number 111, and how you have to arrange it is clearly visible in your textbook also. Please refer your
we have to
textbook.
draw line.
Vivan, it is not given anything in your textbook, Vivan. Please check your textbook and check this page also which I am presenting, and you have to draw it fast like this.
Ma'am, in notebook.
I have done that in my textbook.
Farzan, you have a space in the textbook? No. If you have a space in the textbook, you draw in the textbook. My dear, I have already clearly mentioned in the notebook.
Ma'am, I have done in the textbook itself.
Draw this pattern in the notebook faster.
Okay, ma'am.
This is in the notebook.
Ma'am,
In textbook.
Yes, tell me.
ma'am, now it's proper.
Okay. Now listen to me. Now listen to me, everyone. See, you all have a notebook. Yes. Those who have cutted the stars, they will paste the stars the way it is pasted. Amigdad, can you let me complete?
Ma'am, is it okay if I don't do it in
Amigdad, what you want to say? Tell me. Show me. You are not visible, Migdad. Yeah, show me what you want to tell me. Show. Yes. Now I'm talking about the page number, next page number. Page number 111.
Ma'am, I have done the exercises in the textbook itself.
But
Yeah, ma'am, there is an exercise in the textbook itself.
But I have told you to make this in the notebook also. Please make them in the notebook and then I will explain you.
Ma'am, so we
Yes,
have
you
to
have
make
to
the
make the
both
both in the notebook.
you show the screen? The star,
Yes, both the
patterns.
patterns in the notebook. There it is visible now.
Yeah.
No, ma'am. Now I can.
Ayansh, you go on Renu Punjabi present screen, you will able to see. Now I will explain the rule. Okay. Once you will understand the rule, you will complete it later on also in the. Children, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Ayush?
This pattern is okay.
Ma'am,
Can you show it one?
Okay. Very good one. Now
ma'am, your
I will
screen is
explain you
black.
how to. Yeah, I'm not presenting anything. That's why it's black. Because everyone's mic is on. That's why my voice is echoing. Now, listen the
Ma'am,
rule
your
carefully.
screen is also breaking.
My dear, maybe some network issues with you, or maybe it can be with me. Okay.
Ma'am,
Now listen to me. Can I start?
Ma'am, I have this much big circles. It is a little bit big, so I don't think that it will stick in my notebook.
My dear, you can use the full page and it will be easily stuck in your notebook.
Okay, ma'am. I have to
Use
make
the full.
columns.
No, the way it is arranged, the triangle. Can you see the down triangle also?
Yeah, ma'am, but I can make the pattern in the vertical way.
In any form, vertical or horizontal, any form. Okay. Now listen to me
ma'am,
carefully. I am going to explain the rule now. Listen me. Okay. Please stop doing any. Please stop doing. Vedi, mute your mic. Stop doing and look at me, everyone. Look at me, Lamha. Stop. I'm going to explain the rule of this magic pattern now. Okay? Now it is written, look at the pattern of numbers 1 to 7. See how each line adds up to 12. Means you have to use the numbers 1 to 7, but the total of all the lines, whether horizontal, whether sleeping, whether diagonal lines, total should come 12. What it should be? Tell me what will be the total?
12.
12. Please write. I will open the chat box. Please write in the chat box. Please write what should be the total and which numbers you have to use to make it to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From 1 to 7. Now, how to arrange these numbers? So, you will see the magic of this. I am going to present my screen. Now, chat box is closed. Now, I'm going to present my screen and I will show you how these numbers are arranged. See, when you see this,
look at the pattern of numbers 1 to 7. यहाँ पे मैंने 1
why these numbers are only 1 to 7? Because there are only 7 stars when you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And all the 7 stars should have a different number, right? So when you arrange these stars and write the numbers in this, it should come, the total should come 12. When you see this sleeping line, 2, 3, 7. Ayush, can everyone hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, your voice is clearly audible.
Thank you. Switch off your mics now. 2, 3, 7. When you add up, 7 plus 3 is 10 and 10 plus 2 is 12. So this way also 12. Now, when you come from up to down in the diagonal way, you check this 2, 4. 2 plus 4 is 6 and 6 plus 6 is 12. This way also the total is 12. Now, again the next diagonal, when you come from up to down, 7 plus 4 is 11 and 11 plus 1 is 12. Now this way also 12. Now the down sleeping line, when you check 6 plus 5 is 11 and 11 plus 1 is 12. Now what do you observe here, children? Have you observed that numbers are also not repeating, but the rule is saying the line adds up to 12. Why it is only 7? Because these stars are 7. And in the next pattern, when you see, numbers use 1 to 9. Why 1 to 9? Because these stars are 1 to 9 and each star should have a different number. So when you add the numbers 1 to 9, the total should come 15. Now I'm going to present my another screen. Can you see here the other screen here? Yes or no?
Ma'am, your presentation is black.
Ayansh, I think you're facing the difficulty, my dear, today. I want to ask everyone.
No, ma'am, it is not black. No, ma'am, everything is visible.
Yes, Ayansh,
Ma'am,
you're
now it
facing
is proper.
difficulty.
I want to ask
Ma'am,
something.
now it is okay.
Okay. Yes, Daria, tell me.
Renu ma'am, which you are showing right now, we have to do in textbook, right?
Right now you do in the textbook and later complete it in the notebook also.
We have to do in notebook. Okay.
Yes, making the patterns. Okay. Now when you check this, the down one, there are 9 stars arranged in such a way that their standing line and sleeping line total should come 15, right? So 2 plus 9, 11 and 11 plus 4 is 15. When you go from 2 plus 7 is 9 and 9 plus 6 is 15. Then in the next line, 9 plus 5 is 14 and 14 plus 1 is 15. 4 plus 3, 7 and 7 plus 8 is also 15. So this is the pattern which you have to create in these shapes and draw. Yes, Vansh is showing me something. Vansh, show me. He has created very nicely. Yes, good. Very good, Vansh. So this way you complete this. Now come to the triangles. Children, you also have to make these pattern in this way with the shapes which I told you to cut in your notebook today. Am I clear to you all? Please show me thumbs up.
Ma'am,
Come down now.
ma'am,
Let
I
me.
could not.
Yes,
I
are
have
you?
a doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, I couldn't get time to draw other things because I didn't have notebook just beside me.
Ayush,
That
what I
I will
told.
copy. It's all right.
Yeah,
If I copy
but
these
what I am
notes.
telling that if you don't have, you will complete it later on also. But you have to
Yes.
understand the rules and pattern. Once you
Yes, ma'am.
understand, you will be able to complete it later on also. Now come down. It's a magic triangle.
Ma'am, now we have to use these circles in notebook.
Yes, yes. In notebook, when you do this, the magic triangle which I'm going to present you now, that also you will do in your notebooks.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, first I am doing in textbook, then I will copy into notebook. It is okay.
Yes. Can you see here, children, my screen? Geometry facts?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Look at this magic triangle.
Please check.
The sum of numbers on each side of the triangle is 10. Let us
Can
verify.
you zoom it?
5
Yes,
plus
I have already
2 plus
zoomed.
3 is equal to 10.
Ma'am, but I can't see.
5
Ma'am, it is
Ma'am,
stuck.
Yes, ma'am, it's stuck.
Okay,
Yes,
no
ma'am.
worries. No problem. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Renu ma'am, we have to make that magic triangle like in our textbook.
Yes, the way it is given in your textbook, you have to same make in the notebook also. And use the different rules and use your different patterns.
plus
Listen
4
here.
plus magic triangle. Geometry facts. Look at this magic triangle. The sum of numbers on each side of the triangle is 10. Let us verify. 5 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 10. 5 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 10. Plus 1 is equal to 10.
Ma'am, can you mute?
Magic tower. Look at these plus 2 plus facts. Look at this magic triangle. The sum of numbers on each side of the triangle is 10. Let us verify. 5 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 10.
Eco.
5 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 10. 3 plus 6 plus 1 is equal to 10. Magic.
Excuse me, Renu ma'am, we can start doing.
Yes, now listen to me, children. As I was explaining you about the magic triangle. So in your textbook, page number 111, triangle is given. This page is given. I will show you. This page is given in your textbooks. And in this, when you check that, rule is saying that, look at this number pattern. Number on each side of triangle add up to 9. Right? See if the other sides of the triangle also add up to 9. So you have to use such numbers so that the total has to come up to 9. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers are used. Why 6? Because 6 circles are used here. So if 6 circles are here, we will use the numbers from 1 to 6. But the sum total of these numbers are 9, and you have to arrange them in such a way that these numbers will not be repeated. When you see this way, 3 plus 4 is 7 and 7 plus 2 is 9. And now when you're coming from this side, 3 plus 5 is 8 and 8 plus 1 is 9. And now when you add the total of these down, 2 plus 6 is 8 and 8 plus 1 is 9. So the rule is saying, see children, my main thing is to tell you that you can create your own patterns also with your own rules. Right? Now tomorrow you have to come up. Yes, Migdal.
Ma'am, do we have to draw this triangle in our notebook?
Migdat, I am explaining from the beginning. Yes, the exercises which is given on your page number. Yes. Page number 111.
And we have to start making the magic triangle.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.